mass test. The mass test is one of 7 EEI tests. The mass is a pre-employment test used in the hiring process for prospective employees involved in power plant maintenance. Now, it is able to estimate the probability of a candidate's success in the following categories related to plant maintenance jobs. Basically, the mass test is similar in design, scope, and administration to the pause test, which is already discussed in the separate video. Now, it may also be used when selecting candidates for power plant maintenance positions in fossils, nuclear, and hydro plants. Basic structure. The mass is a multiple choice paper and pencil aptitude test containing 118 multiple choice questions. It consists of 4 tests or sections, and the sections are shown with numbers of questions as well. This was all. Thanks for watching.